Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to print Frontier Airlines boarding pass. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log in or register to Frontier if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom of the screen, we have the home, where you can go and book a flight, and also the book a flight, where you can go and book a flight. We have your trips, flight status, and in the bottom right corner, we have the more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and print Frontier Airlines boarding pass. So it is super easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, go to your account and click on My Trips, and here you need to go and put your confirmation code and your last name. Then you'll have your card. You can, of course, use that in the application, but if you want to go and print it, you can go to the airline kiosk, and there you can go and print it there. You can also go and, of course, print your boarding pass by going and, of course, sending it to your email or wherever and printing it on your PC. Or, of course, for an additional fee, you can go and print it in the airline that you, of course, bought it at. You can also use the Frontier Airlines mobile app, of course, where we are to check and get your mobile boarding pass, as I already told you in the start of the video, and you can go through the gate with that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.